Hello everybody, hello, welcome in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicki. Today, because this is Easter and spring craft, this is a carrot craft. How cute is that, right? I'll show you how I make mine so that you can make one similar or make your own, obviously. The supply list will be at the end of the video. It is kind of obvious, these are from the Dollar Tree. Please like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Definitely helps me out. Let's get started. To start with, we have 3 of these carrots, and they are called carrot steak at the Dollar Tree. Definitely try and snag them up as soon as you see them, because if you wait too long, they won't be available. But basically they're for outdoors, but they kind of springy. I love how that works. So we're just going to take our wire cutters. This is a little messy. I've already done it 3 other times, and it's not easy to do either. Kind of just cutting down. It breaks off all of the paint that they put on these things, so be careful with that. Basically, these are my wire cutters, but man, you almost need bolt cutters to get through these. Okay. Whew, I did not want to come off. But I wanted to keep it a little more of a point. And the only reason I left it on there, because if you look, this goes all the way through. It connects up here, but this spring part is connected to it as well. So you really need that center piece. All right, so just gonna brush that stuff away. We're going to be using this frame. This is from the Dollar Tree. I love these. They have the little hook things, so you can hang it whichever way you want. We're going to do up and down, so I want to make sure that is at my top there. I wish I would have kicked myself. I wish I would have gotten more of these, because they're not available anymore. I haven't seen them for quite a while. But we're going to put our carrots inside here, and debating about painting. I really, really, really love this natural look, and I think we're just going to leave it. I was going to paint it white, but oh my gosh, changed my mind. I really, really, really like this natural wood color going on. These are not going to want to stay very well. I just got to decide if I want my carrots to go up or kind of down like that. I'm kind of thinking about doing it that way. So we'll do it like that. On these, I'm thinking, because it's metal, we're going to bring in our E6000 and hot glue just to kind of help hold it. So it is E6000. It's a bigger thing, obviously. What we're going to do, this is going to be kind of interesting. So I want to see which ones, see on the springs, this, this. Just putting the hot glue right next to the E6000 here. And we're just going to set it on there. Let it sit for just a minute, because that hot glue will hold for temporarily, because it will eventually come off with that. But it will hold it for now until the E6000 sets up. So that is perfect. That's not going anywhere for a moment. And then we're just going to do the exact same thing. We'll do this one over here. do the E6000 first because it doesn't dry as fast as the hot glue. I need to hold this for just a minute. Make sure we're staying in place here. This is going to be a very simple, very easy. I've been wanting to do this for 2 years now because I saw these the first year they came out, and back in 22, and then I didn't get them, but I got them in 23. And I really, really wanted to do a project with them. So, there we go. I love just the simplicity of the metal. I love the colors that they gave it, the dark orange with the dark green, and then they distressed the green, and they've got these little curlies in addition to. I absolutely love that. So, now I think the only thing we're going to do now is we're going to put a bow on it. I just want to put a bow on it, and we're going to call it good at that point. All right, and I've got this awesome orange check. It's from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to do, I think I'm going to do a 2 loop ribbon. So we're going to loop this around twice. Like so, and squish it in the middle. So it's got 2 loops, 2 tails. Then we're just going to stick it up here at the top. I love that. That looks good. And to tie off the middle, I also have this. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's in the fall time, but it's orange jute. I've only seen it around Thanksgiving, Halloween, the fall is when that comes out. So we'll definitely snag you up some of that. I love the orange. Right. So I forgot to put it up here. And then, as cute as that is, I love how that looks. I got one last thing. How cute are these? They're erasers, and they're from the Dollar Tree, but they're little bunny erasers. But I was thinking that you could use them for little figures. You don't have to necessarily keep them as little erasers. How cute is that? That's adorable, right? I'm going to put mine right here in my project. All right, that is done. That is super cute. It's so easy. If I change my mind, we can go back and paint this, but I love the natural look of it. I love how that looks. We can do a little tag if you need to have tags on things. Some people do. I don't really care for tags on all my stuff or all my projects, but you could put like carrots for sale or carrots something or other. But this is my version of this with these little, I love how these look. Absolutely love that. Definitely let me know, or if you did something different with yours, how you did something different with yours. Keep on coming back for more projects at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.